When there is a slight blockage in the nozzle, how should we deal with it? First, we need the unclogging fluid for the nozzle. Then prepare some dust-free cloth. Open this bottle. Fold the dust-free cloth a little smaller. Into a small piece like this, pour the unclogging fluid on the dust-free cloth. Wet it. Next, we find the nozzle with the hole blockage. Stick the dust-free cloth on the surface of the nozzle and rub it back and forth gently. Rub gently. Then change the dust cloth to another side. Rub it like this. Let the unclogging fluid penetrate into the nozzle. You can repeat the operation many times like this. Okay,